Marco, and Gia, you are here today, reminding you that this love that you bring here today, it will last until your last breath. You are together starting today until your last breath.
I wish only the best for you guys. That you live in harmony with each other. Live a fruitful and blessed marriage. I wish that you love each other until the end. And that the Lord bless you.
So many qualities about her that I love. She's super generous, very family oriented, God fearing. She sets standards for me to be better so that we can have a better life. And she's my travel buddy. I couldn't be happier for having her part of my life. I'm so blessed because she chose me, and I can only hope that I can take care of her as much as she has taken care of me. My love, today I give myself to you. I choose you and promise you that I will always be here through ups and downs. I promise to honor, cherish, and love you every day for the rest of my life. Together we will dream, we'll stumble, but restore each other. Meron na ako, yo.
They say home is where the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter where we come from, there's a place for everyone. Oh, I can finally see, it's so clear to me, I found my home right here. Driving down Highway 1, taking in the beauty of mountain range, prairie skies, oceans blue, northern lights for you and I. They say home is where the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter.
So he's very sweet, very loving, God-fearing person. He taught me a lot of things. Vice versa then of course, he taught me more. You know, he's very family-oriented. Having him as my lifetime partner, I know that I'm in good hands, and I know that despite of all the ups and downs that we will go through in the future, everything will be okay.
Can finally see, it's so clear to me. I can finally see, it's so clear to me. They say home is where the heart is, and it's right where we belong. Doesn't matter where we come from, there's a place for everyone. Oh, I can finally see, it's so clear to me. I found my home right here. I found my home right here. I found my home right here.
I am happiest father to have a daughter like you. You have never failed to show me and your mama how much you love us, and all the way you told you always gave you to us and care for us. I love you very much now. Marco, I could see how lucky my daughter was to have met a guy like you. I can rest assured now, my daughter is in a good hands, and I'm no longer worried because I can see how much you love my daughter. Thank you for that.
that I'm not alone when I say that you're the right for each other.
My brother is really special to me because he kind of raised me. We grew up together. I wait for him after school. Not whenever we take the stuff like that. I don't think it will ever stop. The relationship with Gia is also amazing. I remember the first time we met, I knew she'd be awesome because I've never seen her brother happy. To her life, to her goals. You guys are lucky to have each other.
Take me back into the past, and I will reminisce with you and laugh when it's just you and me feeling a wholesome way. Come on now, take me back into the past. You and me forever, and it's like
Dad will show us a love that for a queen gives us peace of mind. Lalo na sila mama and papa. Since alam na nila yun yung unang anak nila na sumabuti. A new journey begins today. You both deserve only the best in life. I hope you two stay united in love for your entire life.
gonna last a long time. See the horizon.
Family.
You and me forever.
My love, I write this vow. We have been longing for, our time is now. This is the start of a new beginning to give our lives much more meaning. God has blessed me with my greatest treasure, which is you, my love, beyond all measure. This gift you will wear to remind you of this day. I will hold your hand to show you the way. Without further ado, let us go forth into our new life, as soon to be officially husband and wife. See you at the altar, my love, your future hubby.
I never thought this could happen. Please don't wake me from this dream. Let's remember together. This moment starts off forever. Let's remember together. This moment starts off forever.
Many words to describe her as a person, but I think the best would probably be uplifting. She makes everyone better. She makes me better. God has blessed me with my greatest treasure, which is you, my love, beyond all measure. You are my princess, about to be my queen. Unbelievably surreal to marry the girl of my dreams.
Let's remember together. This moment starts off forever. Let's remember together. This moment starts off forever. Let's remember together. This moment starts off forever. Let's remember together.
Do you take Jericho Marco, her present, to be your lawful husband, upon the right of Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept as your lawful husband,
Yes, Father.
Jericho Marco? Do you take Gia Trixie, her present, to be your lawful wife, upon the right of Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
So I can love you more as the years go by. Come away with me, put your hand in mine. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you.
Marco, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
Gia, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
There's no place I'd